Magandang umaga po sa inyo at kakauwi ko pa lang at kaka-freshen up pa lang. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung little bit of something na gusto naming gawin dun sa aming natatanggap sa YouTube. At gusto namin i-share yung aming little bit of blessings. At for a little while, bumibili kami sa grocery at nilalagyan din namin itong box na ito. I'm still gonna fill it up. Hindi pa tapos. Kasi what we want to do is really give it to the food bank in dedication and in memory of Nanay as well. So, and as a way of saying thank you sa panunood nyo sa amin at we'll share our blessings to other people as well. So, pinupuno pa namin at the same time, I've got another box in there to fill it up, yung box ni Miguel. So, yan ang gagawin natin at si June and April are gonna meet up in a short while para dalhin ito dun sa food bank. So, I'll fill it up a little bit more. Okay, nandito tayo sa loob ng bahay at pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga bagay na gusto nating i-share para dun sa mga taong who will struggle for Christmas at just a little bit of help kahit paano para sa kanila. Not much, pero hopefully it helps dun sa food bank. Ayan, yung mga yan. Yan ang bibigyan natin. Parang maliit siya na balikbayan box. So, si June na lang magbibit-bit nito kasama si April. Mamaya, ayusin lang natin. Yung shower gel, coffee. At naghumingi sila ng coffee din doon. Some spices. Some soups. Meron dyan, beans. And chickpea. Ayan ang mga bibigay natin doon. Tsokolate din. At saka biscuit. At tingnan ko pa dito sa cupboard namin kung anong meron na pwede kong idagdag pa. Some chia seeds sa mga vegetarian and healthy eaters. Before the year ends, we really want to say thank you to everyone. At the same time, this is in memory of Nanay who we have lost this year. So, mahilig talaga siyang mag-share ng kanyang blessings. So, salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Salamat.
Okay, and happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Namumulong si Jen, gutom na kasi dinistorbo ko siya, gumagawa siya ng kanyang toast. Alright. We're gonna have our breakfast at galing pa lang ako sa trabaho.
Kain na ako.
Si June will be going to the food bank later on with April. May bit-bit din si April mamaya.
This is putting our Christmas present. Tita Sheila. Oh my gosh, it might be like a perfect set actually. There's still some more in there. Might be like that. There's some more there. Yan, palagay dito at least. Yan na. Bye-bye! Bibigyan namin today.
Yan, Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Ace. Merry Christmas, George.
Alex!
Baka
Dali, kanta ka naman, Jolene.
Wag nga, mababan
Kanta ka naman ng Jolene. Kain ka naman, kanta ka naman ng Jolene. Hindi ko kaya yun. Stop, Jolene naman. Josh, just sing Jolene. Ethan, just sing Jolene.
Gatos pa mo.
Merry Christmas, guys. Sheila, Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Christmas. At kakain tayo ng ating Carberry dito sa Maker Brook ba?
Maker Brook. At mayroon kumakanta ng galing talaga.
Kumakanta, nakaano tayo dito.
Gayak na gayak tayo. At tingnan natin.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Enough, enough! Ethan! Miguel, hold this one then.
Here.
Ready?
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 I got nothing!
Alright,
Why did I get nothing?
what did I get? What did I get?
Ano yung file?
I got
I got plenty of
Ano nakuha nyo? Bumilat yan. Ano yan? Ito malagay yun.
baby Jesus support. You can do it though. Thank you for buying the food if you buy it. Thank you for buying the food. You get a meal kit then if you buy it. Or it's a meal
Ang laki na in-order mo, Miga.
Para mga tatlong pasyente.
Easy enough. Easy enough.
Ang buong pamilya ata.
Parang tatlong pasyente.
Ito tama lang to. Yung marami yun. Ethan! Oh. Christmas na Christmas.
Yes! Masalamat tayo sa mga kaibigan natin, friends and families, colleagues.
Bubukas na tayo ng regalo. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Kumbaga dito sa British is Happy Christmas na.
May tumam dito. May tumam, promising.
Alam ko yan. Bigyan mo na yun. Bigyan Ethan.
Ethan, give the one for Miguel.
Ay, ito sa'yo Ethan oh. Ang tanda-tanda mo na.
Tanda na ito, binibigyan mo pa ng pera. Really, Ethan.
Gumawa ka na lang. Tinanong ko sino ba yung sila. Sino na mag-italis mo? I think nga.
Thank you.
Yung card, yan ang pumalagay. Ilalagay mo ko dito. May Christmas na.
Guys, sit down, Nick.
Ikaw na. Oh. Si Miguel naman. Oh, Mig, this is yours.
Yay. From all of us.
Mami, Daddy.
Daddy, let's have this one first.
Pag malaki ang regalo, maliit yun naman.
What is it, Mig?
Big
What do you
present
think?
comes in small packages.
Daddy, bring it up. What is it? What is it?
What the hell?
How do you
Oh, I like
know?
dressing rooms.
How do you know?
This is big, but I was gonna be a blanket.
Oh.
Whoa!
Why is it so big?
nice.
Why is it so big? Oh, it's wet.
Sige, Adam, try it. Try it.
Iniwan mo yung dressing gown mo doon sa,
Ethan is
sa apartment. Iniwan niya sa
We
apartment.
don't have a dressing gown here whenever you come home.
Lagi siya nilalamig. Ang mali pala natin, wala siya slippers, no?
But anyway,
Can I get one?
next year na yun.
Siya na yung slippers. Yan. Oh. Mainit ba yan?
No, you won't get
Brand
cold here in
new.
the house.
You won't get cold na. Hindi na tayo magawa ng heating.
Tayo makakatipid na tayo. Anak, there's another
Ano pa? Ano pa
there's
naman
another
yan?
thing that we got you, the three of us.
Ano naman
During,
yan?
ano yan? Black Friday.
Oh.
And there's a gift receipt inside just in case you don't want.
No, I like this one.
Baka malaki. Small?
Is it too small?
Ang laki sa small, no? It's big for small.
I'll try it on there.
Tinaman yung sa size. Pareho din sa sakyan mo. Kaya naglukot, ba't lukot-lukot na?
Na-planchain mo,
Why
no?
does it look like like it's new.
Ayun yung ano niya, gift receipt.
Bro, that means you can only wear it once.
This is a gift receipt.
I can only wear it once. Unless it starts peeling up, bro. No, it won't peel up.
Ano?
Parang ano parang mechanic ng apartment.
Pat.
Representative.
Oh, sino susunod? Ano siya? Pajama. Ba't large? Large ba to?
Hindi yan large, small yan. What is it, June? Sige nga, suotin mo. May gift receipt yan din, June.
Ba't ang laki?
Are they supposed to be there?
Gift receipt yan, June. Tingnan mo, try it on.
Inside those mouths.
Yes, lounge once nga eh. It's supposed to be like that.
Sounds too bad.
Taas ang dressing gown ko.
Yo, batang-bata ah. Tingnan mo nga yung jog pants. Yes, it's a lounge one. Meron ba kay Mami? Ethan, meron ba kay Mami?
I got one for both of you. Dad already knows what it is
What is it?
because he can tell it telepathically.
What is it?
Okay,
Pera?
Joe.
Wow, may card na, may card na. May card, tingnan mo nga kung may ano yung card.
There is money in it. You will
Tingnan ko
have to
nga. Daddy, tingnan ko nga.
Tingnan natin to.
If there's
Tingnan
money,
natin.
if there's money inside of it, you will have to give it back to me.
Wow, Mami, let it snow. Asa na, ito na, ito na.
Wala.
Oh,
What the-
wow! Ang dami niya. Nag-snow talaga. Nag-snow talaga nung binuksan natin. Tinan mo, June ah. Tinan mo. Tinago ulit.
Pinahawak na.
Hindi man lang umano sa palad ko.
Ano to?
Tinago ulit. Kinuha
Ano
ulit
to?
yung pera.
Head show lane to.
From the post box, from the post office. Wow, thank you very much. Ang dami ah,
You didn't
daming
even look in my
pera.
card.
Wow, wow, wow. Ah, sorry, I will look in the card. Daddy, ka dito. To Mom and Dad, Merry Christmas.
Six pack.
Special thoughts, ano ba yan? Are with you and warmest wishes to
Ano man?
hope
The elf.
Christmas is in every way. Just perfect for
The
you.
elves.
Ito yung drawing ni... Ano ba yan? Pang
That's
ano pa rin? Kindergarten.
May six pack. Ano Pokemon?
Bait si Santa ganito, parang may sakit.
Tsaka yung animal. Yung reindeer. Ano yung kuto? Termites.
Sino to? Uber? Ano to? Ang hirap na
That's it,
hirap
Uber
pa.
Elf.
Ah, Uber Elf. Ay, sino naman to?
Circle, triangle, square.
Sino to?
Oh, that's just those.
Next.
Wow. Thank you very much.
May pera. Hindi natin.
Ba't nagbigay ka pa ng pera, anak? Hence, kailangan mo to kaysa sa amin. Thank you, but it's thought that counts. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I don't know about the drawing.
Sino pa?
Wow, yung paborito rin natin. Linto.
That costed me £7.
Hindi, wala pa tayong regalo kay Ethan, Daddy. Ala, wala pa tayong regalo kay Ethan. Ito pala. Ito pala.
You need the brush.
Hindi, no, repeat. Yan, ganun bukas ang
Ganun.
present.
Talagang malutong.
What is it?
Is there money inside of it?
What? Thank you.
Sige nga, does it fit
Pwede
you?
lang yan.
It probably does.
Pwede lang. Baka hindi kasha.
No, that's like.
That's really fast.
Grabe.
20 pounds.
Grabe, ito lang yung focus ni Ethan.
20 pounds.
Wow. You look like an adult now, Ethan. Ethan, ano ba yan? Para ka naman.
Akin na nga, tutulong.
Para kang sira.
Masirain.
Walang gift receipt yan, Ethan.
No way.
Masirain yan. Yan. Ang nahata. No, tama
Looks
no?
good on you.
Bro, I'm extra skinny.
Wow.
Found this.
Tabi, gula. Tabi, Ethan. Marami yan. Ang lakas. Lakas. Ang lakas. Ilan na yun? Ano lang naman to? Malakas yung isa eh. Fountain lang pala to.